Well, it's almost time to lace up those sneakers and show the world what you're made of during this year's THOR competition.
Yeah, Texoma's Hellacious Obstacle Run is an annual nonprofit 5K race that benefits Leadership Wichita Falls and Wichita Falls Streams and Valleys. The off-road adventure starts in Lucy Park and winds along the Wichita River, past the falls, through Camp Fillers, and back to Lucy Park.
THOR 2023 is set for next Saturday morning, April 29th at 8. For details on how you can sign up, as well as new obstacles and the pre-run guide, click inside this story over at Texomashomepage.com.